All right, here we are out of High Park. We're on High Park Avenue, heading north. This is one of those interesting streets. Subway is right to my left. What does that say? Right to the left. If you're joining the channel for the first time, I do walking and biking videos in the city.
Nice obstacles there.
Yeah. Lots of condos around here. That guy commenting on me jumping over the obstacles. Why not? You gotta use what you got. Get some exercise happening. I like this street. One of the shortest streets in the city. It's got its own subway. Lots of condos, old school apartment buildings. Like these ones. It's kind of old school. Rentals from the 70s. And there were some new ones. And some fancy houses too here. Pretty big. Okay, this guy wants to make a... Oh, he decided not to do a right turn. Whew. It's kind of windy. Like it that way. It is September, I think it's 24th, 2021. We are cruising to the end of summer, which is good. Why not? Everything's good. These houses are amazing. Big houses, very well kept in the city. Beautiful. And you know what? You live here, you're close to a big park, High Park. Biggest in the city, wild too. And you are right next to this gorgeous street. Look at this. And you got a subway too. Not that you're gonna need a subway, because you have a big driveway here. You can stick in a couple of 4 cars in there. Whew. What's my heart rate? 116. Why am I breathing so hard? FilmMission is writing a mission with nothing to film. Streets, stop sign, 4-way. Heads up, clean, clean, clean. Go ahead. We got you. All right. All right. No bike lane here, but they just stick a marker on the ground and hope you're safe to go. There's an interesting spot here. It used to be a church here, and they turned it into a condo. They're tearing it down. Check it out. Very interesting setup here. Some small apartments, some houses. And then I'm gonna go close to this and clean behind us. Yeah, so we are building a serious condo here. Wow. All right, let's go through this. Why not? Make it exciting. Smells like wet cement. Look at that. It's beautiful. Yeah, it smells like used wet cement. You know what that smells like, right? The kind of drying cement. We're gonna go straight. How did we end up on this side of the street, cowboy? I'm not sure what we did. All right. So we want to make a left turn into this street and continue. See if we can find an alleyway. Still on High Park Avenue. And the street across me is going to be Dundas. It's a very cool area. That's the end of the street. High Park Avenue. Starts at Bloor, ends at Dundas. Here we go. That's it. Short street. Wide. Very little traffic on it. Big houses. Old school. Look at this. There's some condos. And a church that's turned into a unchurched. The church is unchurched. Alright, is there an alleyway? This street needs an alleyway. FilmMission is looking for an alleyway heading west. Let's see if we can find one. It's gotta be... Oh, look, they got a bus line too. Why not? Oh, I don't see an alleyway. Alright, we're in Dundas. Dundas Street. Take a left into this sky. Ooh, look at the sunset. Whoa. I don't think you can see it on the film. Can you see it? Maybe not. Maybe if it's like this. No, still can't see it. But the sunset is pretty good. Not gonna lie, the sunset is pretty good. I want to get out of the street because it's missing a bike lane and the restaurants have taken over the rest of the situation. So I want to go. Huh. Maybe in that street. There's a beauty salon there. Let's go check that beauty salon. Oh, look where we're stuck. We're stuck right in the middle of this intersection. We sit. Heavy traffic. Got a bus coming. Whoa. Alright. After this car, we're gonna make it. There's another car coming. Alright, so we're gonna go into this lane. Alright, beautiful. Look how beautiful that is. Maybe that could be a thumb. Maybe you should go past this bus for a thumbnail. Look at how beautiful this light is. Is this a thumbnail? Alright, check out this hair salon. Thumbnail action. It's a pretty old school hair salon. I regret the owner has passed away. Informed that Eva has passed away, serving the junction for 50 years in her salon. She passed away at the age of 92 in her hospital. Thank you, Eva. I bet you she was some kick-ass hairdresser. Good memories to you, baby. Good job. You know, she's been a typical 50 years of hairdressing. She was, you know what? I'm going to say something here. She was a pre-Photoshop hairdresser, which automatically she deserves an award because I can't find an alleyway. We're just on a side street now because she did hair before Photoshop and all the fancy Instagram filters. So she must have, for 50 years, so she must have been some rockin' hairdresser. A rockin' hairdresser. Good for you, Eva. Alright, sounds like a Polish name too. Oh, maybe. Eva. Maybe. Alright, whoever you are, wherever you are, rest in peace and beautiful. Here's a NAGA. I'm gonna give you an honorary NAGA award to you. Where are we? What street is this? I like, smells like laundry. Holy mo. Oof. You know, look at this place. Funky. What is this, a net? Yeah, this is a net. This is all the people that have passports for eating. They have their eating passports ready. You guys got your passports? Good. Oh, man. Oh, we're going to have fun with people. We love you, people. We're just making fun of you for the film, okay? Have fun with your passports and eating. And if you don't have a passport, you should definitely get a passport. All right, so we got a biker in front of us. Do a little quick loop around the neighborhood. I wanted to find the alleyway, but I didn't find any. What do you want to say? I'm gonna pass this person. All right, the sun's gone down now. It's getting kind of dark. And the lighting on this camera when it gets dark is iffy. There's a delay, I go. Iffy. I think there was an election. Oof. I just passed over a dead raccoon. Dead raccoons in America. This is your new rock band. I think there was an election in Canada past week. I'm not sure. There were rumblings of an election here. I'm not sure. I wasn't paying attention. I may have missed the whole game of the election. I may have missed the whole thing. Well, anyways, so interesting ride. It's kind of interesting. I like this long road. Gives you a constant heart rate. It's good. Usually when I do laps and uphills, your heart rate kind of goes up and down, but this is kind of keeps you steady beat. I want to make a video on how to make coffee. I noticed a lot of people are addicted to going to Starbucks and Tim Hortons, and I see a lot of YouTubers. This guy I watch is a truck driver, Trucker Josh. I'm not a truck driver, but when you watch other channels, you learn so much, about all sorts of stuff, random stuff that, I watch trucking channel. You can learn about a whole bunch of irrelevant stuff that, hey, might come in handy one time, and it's better than watching stupid stuff on TV, right? Irrelevant stuff on TV and news. You watch irrelevant stuff that may come in handy. I don't know. So I watch this guy, and he always, every morning before going to work, he goes to either Starbucks or Tim Hortons, and he gets a coffee and extra sugar and extra this and extra that, and he's always spending $5-6, and he's trying to save money to build a house for himself and his wife in a small town that he lives in. And he's always, I'm saying to him, I always send a message to him, I go, dude, like, you're spending $10 a day on coffee, just coffee. I was like, in a month it's $300. If your wife does that, it's like $600 a month. If you're doing a mortgage on coffee, hello, So finally he's like, I think I'm gonna make coffee at home. And I'm like, yeah. And also it's cleaner, it's safer, it's more, it's your coffee. I mean, I know it's kind of like coffee connoisseurs are gonna be like, what? I like instant coffee. I like Nescafe Gold. I like it. Freeze-dried coffee. You know what? It smells amazing. I like it. I've always liked it. And definitely liked it better than Starbucks and all that stuff. The thing with Starbucks and Tim Hortons is that it all depends. One day it tastes strong, one day it doesn't. One day the girl who's making it, she's like in La La Land, and she puts so much coffee and it tastes good. And sometimes she's like not paying attention, the milk's too hot. I just don't want that randomness, I'm sorry. And make your own coffee. I want to make a video. It takes, hot water coffee, that's it. And I use coconut milk or something. Not because I don't like milk, I don't know, it makes it taste fun, interesting. And I don't put any sugar in it. Where are we? Oh yeah, Jane. So I'm gonna make a video on that, and so yeah. I realized you could save thousands of dollars a year if you don't if you don't do the Starbucks thing. Okay, we're here in another we're out of battery too. Oh, we're stuck here again. I'm gonna go past this thing, but these things are patios are a menace because they close the road. They're going head on Jane Street. I'm gonna go a little bit further and dive into one of the side streets. Anyway, getting pretty dark too. So I'm gonna make that coffee video at some point. I'll make it different. See how many views. We're getting good views on the protest bike ride I did. I want to run into the protesters. I'm not a big fan of protests or whatever. Not a fan, but it's people's right to protest and demonstrate. We gladly like it, but I'm not a big fan. I don't want to go to them and film them all the time because but you know what? If people are watching it, screw it. We're gonna do another one. We're heading up north. We're gonna go all the way north as far as we can. This is Jane Street. I'm gonna sign off at this light. Thanks for watching. If you like it, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna do different kinds of videos. Hopefully when it gets in the winter time, we're gonna do ice riding. We'll see you in the next film. We're out. Hey, there's a big downhill here. And we're gonna run the bike down the hill and see what kind of a noise the tires make. I know, sounds kind of crazy. It's FilmMission in Toronto. I do biking and walking videos in the city. It's September 2021. It's going to be a short video. I'm going to ride down the steep hill, and we're going to see if you can pick up the tire sounds and how ridiculous the sound's going to be. Okay, Here we go. Ready? All right. All right, here's brake time, brake time, brake time. Clean traffic, dive. Okay, that's it. Quick video checking the sound effects on the bike, on the tires. We're out.